Chapter 4. India's iconic trees. Neem tree. The neem tree, also known as the Indian lilac, is well known for its medicinal properties. Its leaves, bark, and oil are widely used in Ayurveda to treat various ailments, including skin diseases and infections. The tree acts as a natural insect repellent and is used in organic farming. Its bitter leaves are often consumed for their detoxifying benefits. Neem is a hardy tree that can thrive in different climates with minimal care. Curry tree. The curry tree is famous for its aromatic leaves, which are essential in South Indian cooking. These leaves add a unique flavor and fragrance to dishes like curries, soups, and chutneys. Apart from their culinary use, curry leaves have medicinal benefits, such as aiding digestion and promoting hair health. The tree is easy to cultivate and grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. Its small, white flowers bloom throughout the year, adding to its charm. Frangipani tree. The frangipani tree, also known as champa or the temple tree, is admired for its sweet-scented flowers. The fragrance of its blossoms is strongest at night, attracting pollinators like moths. It is widely planted in gardens and near temples due to its beauty and religious significance. The tree's flowers come in various colors, including white, pink, yellow, and red. It thrives in warm climates and requires minimal maintenance to grow. Indian mahogany tree. The Indian mahogany tree is highly valued for its strong and durable wood, which is used to make furniture, boats, and musical instruments. Its wood has a beautiful reddish-brown tone, making it a popular choice for fine craftsmanship. The tree also provides environmental benefits, as it absorbs pollutants and improves air quality. It has medicinal properties and is used in traditional remedies for treating ailments. Growing tall and majestic, it provides excellent shade in urban and rural areas. Peepal tree. The peepal tree is an evergreen tree with heart-shaped leaves and great religious significance in India. It is considered sacred in Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, often found near temples and religious sites. The tree is known for its ability to release oxygen even at night, benefiting the environment. Its bark, leaves, and roots are used in Ayurvedic medicine for various treatments. The peepal tree grows rapidly and provides shelter to birds and small animals. Fun fact: banyan tree has hanging roots coming out of its branches. They are called aerial roots.